Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this full guide, we will walk you through the process of deleting your list in X using your Android device. Deleting a list can help you declutter and remove unnecessary information. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your Android device. Step 2. Look for the small circular icon that represents your profile picture. Tap on it to access your profile settings. Step 3. Scroll through the options or tabs within your profile settings until you find the option labeled Lists. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Locate the list you want to delete. Scroll through your lists until you find the specific list you wish to remove. Step 5. Look for the option to edit the list and tap on it. This will allow you to make changes to the list, including deleting it. Step 6. Once you're in the editing mode, locate the option to delete the list and tap on it. Step 7. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the deletion. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm and permanently delete the list. And there you have it. You have successfully deleted your list in X. It's now removed from your profile. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides. Thank you for watching.